To fetch the Alchemy WebSocket API, you need to start by understanding what WebSockets are and how they work. WebSockets provide a persistent, low-latency communication channel between a client and a server over the web. This allows for real-time data updates and efficient communication. First, you need to create an Alchemy account and generate an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your WebSocket connections. Once you have your API key, you can connect to the Alchemy WebSocket endpoint. The endpoint URL typically follows the format WSS. api.alchemy.io/ws/mainnet. Next, you need to establish a WebSocket connection. You can do this using a WebSocket library in your programming language of choice. For example, in JavaScript, you can use the WebSocket API to create a new connection. You will need to specify the endpoint URL and your API key as parameters. After establishing the connection, you need to subscribe to the specific events or topics you are interested in. This can include events such as new block headers, new transactions, or contract events. You can subscribe to these events by sending a subscription message to the WebSocket endpoint. Once you are subscribed to the events, the Alchemy WebSocket API will start sending you real-time updates as new events occur. You can then process these events in your application as needed. Best practices for using the Alchemy WebSocket API include handling connection errors and disconnections, implementing event processing logic, and optimizing your application for real-time data updates. You should also ensure that you are complying with Alchemy's usage guidelines and API terms of service. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Alchemy WebSocket API to build real-time blockchain applications, such as blockchain explorers, wallets, or decentralized finance platforms. You can also use the API to monitor and analyze blockchain activity, track contract events, or detect anomalies in blockchain data. Overall, fetching the Alchemy WebSocket API requires a basic understanding of WebSockets and the Alchemy API, as well as the ability to establish and manage a WebSocket connection. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Alchemy WebSocket API to build real-time blockchain applications and unlock the full potential of blockchain technology.